Hello, everybody. This is Kimchi Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about why we need to invest in crypto, why we need to buy the dip during these days, like bit of sideways. Let's dive in. Japanese crypto exchange named DMM was hacked, and it suffered $305 billion of Bitcoin was hacked. And US President Biden vetoed resolution overturning SEC guidance. It means major banks cannot custody crypto assets. It's a guidance though, so I think this is somewhat bland veto, which is advantageous to Donald Trump as the next US president. The election in the early November. Anyway, the Bitcoin price has gone sideways for the last 3 months, as well as altcoins. Altcoins look similar for the past 3 months, which is very boring. Australian Securities Exchange could approve spot Bitcoin ETFs before the year end this year. That's what the Bloomberg said. Australian Securities Exchange is expected to approve the first batch of spot Bitcoin ETFs before the end of this year. But according to Watcher.gro, Australia's first spot Bitcoin ETF can be traded tomorrow. Bitcoin spot ETFs will be listed and traded earlier, a lot more earlier than expected. Which means this is a very bullish signal for Bitcoin price because this is not futures Bitcoin ETF, but this is Bitcoin spot ETF in Australia. According to Into the Block, Bitcoin remains steady around $69K thanks to a significant demand zone between 67K and $69K dollars. This price range of 2 million addresses have accumulated a total of 1.1 million bitcoins, highlighting a significant level of interest and activity among traders. In short, people bought 1.1 billion bitcoins at 67 to 69K dollars. A Bitcoin short-term price support is around 67, 69K. And also OKX, previously known as OKCoin before, it's a Chinese crypto exchange. That crypto exchange expands to the Netherlands with new crypto exchange and wallet. OKX officially offers spot trading and spot crypto trading and staking and Web3 wallet services in the Netherlands. And staking, has some issues in the United States, but I think staking services will be available in the United States maybe next year as well. Hong Kong emerges as crypto hub with landmark Bitcoin and Ether ETF approvals. Hong Kong is positioning itself as a global crypto hub with newly approved spot Bitcoin and Ether ETFs. This will eventually go into the mainland China. There's billionaire, a lot of people, a few even billion investors in not only in mainland China but also in East Asian countries. Argentina is collaborating with El Salvador in adopting Bitcoin. It was on May 27th. The officials discussed the growing use of cryptocurrencies in global economies and exchange concepts on El Salvador's Bitcoin adoption journey. Truth to be told, Argentina suffered a lot from high inflation for years, and they tried to adopt Bitcoin as even legal tender, just like El Salvador before. But IMF didn't allow them to execute pro crypto policy, so Argentina needs Bitcoin and crypto for survival and prosperity of the country. So no matter what happens, Argentina, I think they will adopt Bitcoin as the legal tender, just like US dollar in the same country. When you take a look at the bull run cycle of this year and next year, we are here in this red circled area. For sure, nobody can predict the future, but we could see face melting gains in crypto, maybe in several months or a year or so. I think if we choose blue chip altcoins, we can still make 10x, 20x, or even 30x. I think this is so much possible. Personally, I recently bought some crypto altcoins like Cello, XRP, and Akash Network. So do your own research. Find out still undervalued altcoins before the huge market pumps. The market pump begins. Thank you for listening.